Tezos' way of greatness was difficult by any means. Nonetheless, regardless of all snags, the cryptographic money was picking up speed quickly. 2 years after the send-off, XTZ has been recorded on more than 10 Goliath crypto trades. We will inspect XTZ intently and give you an exhaustive cost expectation about Tezos' cryptographic money. How does Tezos work? Tezos is a blockchain network for sending off decentralized applications, dApps, and executing savvy contracts. Admittance to the program code is open, and every client can partake in the framework modernization. The multi-stage design of Tezos permits clients to refresh the organization without hard forks. The framework is separated into 3 modules. The network module, the transaction module, the consensus module. The code of the blockchain environment is written in the OCaml scripting language, which makes it conceivable to freely refresh every one of the convention levels. In 2014, Arthur, a previous Morgan Stanley expert, and Caitlin Breitman had a plan to make Tezos. To send off their venture, they held an extremely fruitful ICO, initial coin offering. In 2017, the couple figured out how to raise $232 million, making it the biggest ICO around then. Be that as it may, because of interior issues, the execution of the undertaking was deferred. In this way, the coin never entered the trades at the named time. This caused alarm among the financial backers, and a few court procedures were started against the task originators. In 2018, a beta form of the undertaking was delivered, however it didn't figure out how to save what is happening. Deluded financial backers hurried to sell their tokens for an amazing bargain, looking to return ventures, which caused the breakdown of the swapping scale. The designers needed to make up for lost time rapidly. Network tests started in pre-fall 2018, and the coin was completely sent off in the fall. Until this point in time, Tezos is a cryptographic money that kills key hindrances to blockchain reception by the world local area. Among its elements, coming up next are important. Intelligent contract security. At the institutional level, brilliant agreements are written in the Michelson arranged programming language, which ensures total security of exchanges. Possibility of a drawn-out overhaul. Tezos' particular engineering and formal update system permit the organization to offer and carry out new mechanical developments flawlessly as they become accessible. Joined with a Tezos invoicing system, these perspectives empower the convention to tackle the expanding issue without forfeiting the local area agreement. Open interest. Rather than excavators, the XTZ cryptographic money is acquired by bread cooks. The liquid proof of stake (LPOS) agreement calculation permits each coin proprietor to take part in baking. This is the very thing the Tezos network calls handling exchanges and creating new blocks. To prepare, you really want to introduce a full hub on your PC and present an application on the authority site. Bread cooks are compensated with XTZ coins. In the event of an endeavor to swindle the framework, sanctions up to store seizure are forced. Tezos Price Prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of Tezos costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Tezos will be $2.18. The greatest level that the XTZ cost can reach is $2.54. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $2.27. August 2022. Tezos price forecast. Around mid-year 2022, the XTZ cost will be exchanged at $2.04 overall. August 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Tezos worth to $2.13. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $1.95 in August 2022. XTZ price forecast for September 2022. Crypto specialists have broke down Tezos costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to September 2022, $2.12. The least and pinnacle XTZ rates may be $2.05 and $2.23. October 2022, Tezos price forecast. Crypto examiners expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the XTZ cost will be around $2.18. In October 2022, the Tezos cost might drop to at least $2.11. The normal pinnacle worth may be $2.31 in October 2022. XTZ price forecast for November 2022. Having broke down Tezos costs, digital money specialists expect that the XTZ rate could arrive at a limit of $2.42 in November 2022. It may, notwithstanding, drop to $2.14. For November 2022, the estimated normal of Tezos is almost $2.23. December 2022, Tezos price forecast. Around mid-2022, the Tezos cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $2.27. Crypto examiners expect that in December 2022, the XTZ cost could change somewhere in the range of $2.18 and $2.54. Tezos Price Prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of Tezos in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Tezos will be around $3.37. The greatest expected XTZ cost might be around $3.82. Overall, the exchanging cost may be $3.46 in 2023. Tezos Price Prediction 2024. In view of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Tezos, in 2024, XTZ is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about $4.91 and $5.84, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $5.08. Tezos Price Prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of digital money have examined the costs of Tezos and their variances during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the base XTZ cost could drop to $7.20, while its greatest can reach $8.70. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $7.45. Tezos Price Prediction 2026. In light of the examination of the expenses of Tezos by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least XTZ costs are normal in 2026, $12.47 and $10.32. All things considered, it will be exchanged at $10.62. Tezos Price Prediction 2027. Crypto specialists are continually examining the changes of Tezos. In view of their expectations, the assessed typical XTZ